Assalamualaikum students, this is Miss Leila Hassan and this video I hope that you are doing your assignments well, you are safe and healthy at your home and you are completing your assignments. So this video belongs to the assignment which was given you regarding sets. Page from the supplemental material for maths, page number 32, question number 10, 11 and 12 are given as an assignment. So for your convenience, I'm going to solve these three questions in this video. So what are we going to do first? We are going to read the question very carefully. Yes, question number 10 says that this is the universal set whose P and Q are the subsets. P has F, G, H, I, J, Q has K and I, J. So the common elements of P and Q are I and J. However, M and N are the elements that does not belongs to P or either Q. Okay. So this is the reading of this Venn diagram. Now let's solve part A. Use the information in the Venn diagram to complete the following. P intersection Q, which means they are talking about the common elements of P and Q, which means they are I, J. Acha. Which is not P union Q. Okay, first let us write down all of the values that is not Q. K, M, N is not Q, is not P, sorry. And what is Q? Q is K, I and J. Yes, K, I and J. So which means that P union Q is equals to K, M, N, I, J. Mn Ij. Good. Now, what is the number of P union Q? P union Q and this complement, which means P union Q, which means all of these elements F, G, H, I, J, K, but its complement, which means M and N, M and N are the two elements that does not belongs to P union Q complement. So which means, and they're talking about the numbers, right? So we'll write 2 over here. Secondly, on the Venn diagram, shade the region that is P naught intersection Q. P naught intersection Q. So first of all, find what is not P. Not P is KMN. Yes. And what is Q? Q is K, I, and J. Yes. K, I, and J. So P complement intersection of Q. So what is the common element amongst them? That's K. That's K, right? So this is the region which we need to shade. Good. Now secondly, they have been given you the elements over here and they now need a set notation symbol. Okay, set notation symbol. This is a set notation symbol. Okay, and then we have find out the element. Similarly, now they have given us the elements and we need to find out the set notation symbol. So see, F, G, H. What if we find out Q complement intersection P? What is not Q? What is not Q? F, G, H and Mn. F, G, H and Mn, right? And what is P? And what is P? FGHIJ J. So what is Q complement intersection P? Is it FGH? Yes, it is FGH, which means that the set notation symbol is Q complement intersection P. Got it, everybody? So now let's move on to the other question, which is a much more simpler question. We have set notation form over here, yes, which says that universal set is equals to x such that x is greater than equals to 1 and lesser than equals to 10, where x is an integer. A are the square numbers, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first, do one thing. Write down the elements. 1 is going to come because it says greater than equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is also going to be over here. Why? Because it says lesser than equals to 10. However, A are the square numbers within this 1, 4 and 9, because 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9. So 1, 4 and 9 are the square numbers. However, B elements are already given to us. Okay? We have done in a tabular form. We have converted that into a tabular form to make things easier for us. So write down the elements of universal set in the correct place in the Venn diagram. A. Okay. 1 and 4 are common. Yes, 1 and 4 are common. 9 will be over here. However, 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 will be outside. 1 we have written, 2 we have written, 3 is written, 4 is written, 5 is written, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 9 is written and 10 is not there, which means they do not belongs to A and B. Okay, now list down the elements of A union B complement. A union B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9. However, these are the complement elements. So let's list down that. Is equals to 6, 7, 8 and 10. Now what do they mean? They need A intersection B complement and they need the number, right? So we need to find out, do some working. What is A? A is 149. And what is B complement? That is not B, which means it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they need A intersection B. Yes, and they need the number actually. What is A intersection B? What is the common element between these two? 9 is the common element, right? And now we require the number A union B, that is equals to 1. Whenever you find things difficult, always break down the things. Yes, find out the elements of A, that what is not a B, find out its element, and then do this symbol, this set notation symbol, and then find out its element, and then the numbers can be easily found out. Always break down things, then things will become very easy for you. Now question number 12. Question number 12 says that the Venn diagram shows the number of red cars and the number of two-door cars in a car park. There are total 50 cars in the car park, which means 15 plus 5 is 20. Yes, and 11 plus 19 is 30. 30 plus 20 is equals to 50. So which means the universal set, the number of universal set is equals to 50. Okay, so there are how many? 20 red cars, and there are 16 two-door car, and 19 are such cars which does not belongs to red car or two-door cars. So let's find out the number. There are red and have two doors, which means they require the intersection, which means there are 5 such cars. They are not red but have 2 doors, so which means they are requiring that they have 2 doors but are not red, which means they are 11. Yes, they are neither red nor have 2 doors, which means they are talking about these 19 cars. They are not red cars, yes, which are not red. which are not red cars, right? Which means they are talking about the cars. They are not red cars, which means what are they talking about? 19 and 11. That's equals to 30, which means 19 are not red cars and two-door car, these 11 cars are also not red cars, which means we are going to add up these two and then we are going to find out this 30. They are either red or have two doors. Either red or have two doors, which means either they are red car or either they are two-door car, but they should not be red car and two-door car at the same time. So which area they are talking about? This 15 and this 11 area. Either they are red car or they are two-door car. Okay, so which means 15 plus 11, that's equals to 26. So 26 are the cars which are either red cars or two-door cars. Okay, now on the Venn diagram, shade the region R union T. R union T is very easy, so we are going to shade it like this. R union T. And that's how we have shaded it. I hope that this is understandable to you and it does not create any confusion for you and you are all okay with it, and I wish you good luck in this distance learning and happy learning.